I'm being a study CED by profession fashion design and stuff. And हमारी हॉस्पिटल से हमारा हस्बैंडिंग शारदा हॉस्पिटल में एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में काम करूँ છું for our hospital business. We wanted to know many things about how to handle social media part of it. Uh, so by trial and errors, we used to find out what is Instagram and what is this and what is that. But there was no formal training that we had. And as like youngsters, we do not school so much of mobile and PC and all. So I thought it was taking too much of time to learn something which was really actually required in this time. And we happened to meet Denisa Shah and Barclay. So we thought it was a good idea to really go through a formal training for learning social media skills. And out of our place, it was a very good experience. Just to go through FB and just scroll it down, and what was being what was seen on the screen was very different than what these people taught us. And there's so much of depth, of course, FB is such a great, platform, so which covers thousands and thousands of millions of people. So it has been designed in a way that it has got lots of nuances which we never knew. And I think this knowledge could really lead us to depth of marketing, as well as we'll be able to use this software and these platforms for betterment of our own progress as well as our own business progress also. It was a great experience as a whole. And what I found was whatever these people are doing, Parth Joshi and Darishaman, they are doing it, with the depth of integrity. They are doing with the bottom of their heart. So they put all the efforts to do the thing. They create a session and the training which can train a person of very different kind of, they are from very different backgrounds. Like I'm a fashion designer, my husband is a doctor. And there are many people in this, in this session who are of different, they are from different backgrounds. So to lead them and to train them in the same density was a real good task, and they have really done extraordinary into that. So I'm very thankful to them. I would recommend people to go through this kind of training that really shortens the time of your knowledge. Of course, anybody can learn when the person knows English. He and she can really go through the details, and they can find out of the YouTube videos and all that. But life is too short to know, to have trial and error. So why not to get trained with the people who already are experts of this subject? So I recommend that because if they are interested, they should really go through this kind of training.